Hello everyone. Now we'll know about the next concept. That one is a digital signature. That concept comes under the information security. Digital signature is the user authentication process. For example, allies allies want to send a message to a Bob, right? Then Bob, that one is whenever the allies send a message to a Bob, when the Bob received a message, that message is sent by allies or someone else. Which one is that one is again a one type of verification process is called as a user authentication. Digital signature is a algorithm which one is verifies the received message is received from the authorized user or not. That is the use of digital signature under the information security. That is then it contains a two type of digital signature process is depend on the RSA algorithm also, and the second one is the DSS, digital signature standard process. We will know about the detail about this algorithm in the next session. In this session, we will know about what exact the digital signature is. Digital signature is a program, is an algorithm, which one is whenever the allies send a message to a Bob, at the time of receiving the message at the side of Bob, it verifies that the particular sent message, that one is sent by the allies itself. That verification done with the digital signature algorithm. Then it contains a step, that one is first the signing process, means whenever the message sent by the allies, that allies sign the message. Then what is the sign? That is again a mathematical process which one is making some calculation and create some value, that is called as a sign. It's not a physical sign, we sign some application like that. It is simply the mathematical process which one is apply on a particular message which is sent to the Bob, allies sent to the Bob. Whenever the Bob received that message, Bob apply the verification process that's defines that the means a particular message is received from allies. If the verification process is done, it's verified, then what exact the verification? It verifies some of the values. Some of the value is equal to, or maybe I verify some value. That value, if the value is right, then the Bob considering as the A is or the received message from the A, that is authenticate user. Signing process and verification process, it's come with again a combination, that is the digital signature algorithm. Okay, this is the basic concept is of what is the digital signature is.